You know how AI tools can generate amazing images, but when you try to make a story out of them, the characters and scenes keep changing every frame? Yeah, frustrating. Well, Higgsfield just dropped something insane. It's called Popcorn AI, and it might just change the whole game for creators like us. Popcorn is basically your storyboard generator, image editor, and scene director, all in one. It doesn't just create a single cool picture. It builds entire visual stories with perfect consistency from one image and a simple prompt. It's actually outperforming Nano-banana and Dream. You can now generate up to 8 consistent shots, all in your chosen style. So yeah, this isn't just another AI update. This is the Nano-banana killer, and it's pushing AI image storytelling straight into Hollywood territory. Alright, once you're on the Higgsfield AI homepage, you'll notice a brand new tool called Popcorn. Just click on it. Now, Popcorn gives you 2 different ways to create images, auto mode and manual mode. In auto mode, all you need to do is give a simple prompt. That's it. The AI automatically analyzes your image, understands the mood, and then generates multiple output frames that match the story. It's perfect when you just want fast, cinematic results without spending too much time tweaking details. Then there's manual mode, where you get complete control over each scene. You can describe every frame separately, fine-tune character poses, camera angles, and basically direct the whole visual sequence your way. So let's start with the first one, the auto mode. So I uploaded a picture of myself and gave it this prompt. The woman detective searches for clues in an unsolved murder case. Film noir, vintage cinema, black and white style. Now, here's the crazy part. Popcorn lets you upload up to 7 images at once. That means you can build an entire sequence or storyline in one go. Just pick your aspect ratio, hit generate, and sit back. Wow, haha, just look at this. I didn't even describe anything about each picture, but the 3 images it generated are completely different and still fit perfectly for a detective scene. The lighting, the mood, the composition, all on point. Now yeah, the face isn't 100% accurate, and there's this tiny detail, like smoke coming out of a pen, which is a bit of a physics glitch. But honestly, other than that, the frames are really awesome. It's crazy how much storytelling it captures from just one simple prompt. Next, I uploaded another image of myself, this time wearing a beige outfit, and gave the prompt, a young woman walks through an ancient forest, following glowing butterflies that lead her to a hidden waterfall. Ghibli-style, medieval fantasy tone, warm morning light. Then I hit generate, and here are the results. Wow, the Ghibli vibe is absolutely perfect. The art style, the colors, everything feels straight out of a fantasy movie. And what impressed me the most is that the outfit stays exactly the same, just like the one I uploaded. The first picture shows the character walking through the forest, the next one with butterflies guiding her way, and finally, she discovers the waterfall. The scene continuity here is just so smooth. It's honestly perfect for creating animation sequences that need a consistent face and environment. Popcorn really nailed it here. Even in anime-style visuals, it performs beautifully. Next, I tried a 2-input test. I uploaded my portrait and a close-up of an iPhone, then used this prompt. A young woman walks through a busy street holding phone in her hands. And here are the results. Wow. The combination of me plus the phone follows the prompt pretty well. The phone appears in her hands and the scene matches a busy street vibe. But, like before, the face isn't perfectly accurate if you look closely. It doesn't quite match me. And some tiny details on the phone are missing. So I tried the same test with a different base image, and this time the results were actually much better. The face matched more closely, and the mobile details were cleaner. So don't expect perfect results on the first try. Tweak your inputs and refine the prompt. Small changes can make a big difference. You can also make your main character consistent while adding new objects or characters in a completely different style. So for this test, I uploaded my image and gave the prompt, the woman walks on a sunny beach and meets a cat in clothes, standing like a human, and talks with it. I set the number of images to 4, hit generate, and here are the results. Wow, just look at these. The cinematic style is stunning, and the cat's outfit stays consistent across all frames. What's even more impressive is how the environment, the sunny beach, lighting, and tone, stays perfectly matched throughout the sequence. The only thing that still needs a bit of improvement is the face accuracy. It's not 100% there yet, but honestly, for a multi-image scene like this, it's already pretty impressive. Now here's something really cool. You can actually extend your story scenes using Popcorn. All I did was upload the 4 images generated earlier as my new input, and then gave this extension prompt. Extend this sequence. She takes the cat to her home in her car and gives it dinner. And here are the results. Pretty good. The environment and mood match perfectly. But again, the face consistency isn't quite there. It doesn't fully look like me in every frame, which is a bit disappointing, especially since the rest of the visuals turned out great. The outfit consistency is still perfect, and the story flows naturally. She's seen talking with the cat in her car, and then having dinner together. I honestly love how Popcorn can continue stories like this with just one simple prompt. If you've ever tried doing this in other AI tools, you'd know how hard it is. You'd have to manually generate every single image with detailed prompts to keep it consistent. But here, Popcorn handles all of that automatically. Alright, now let's try out the manual mode. So first, I uploaded my image and then wrote 3 simple prompts. Something like, Scene 1, she gets ready for the day. Scene 2, she walks through the street. Scene 3, she arrives at a tea factory. And here are the results. Overall, the scenes look pretty good. The environment and mood match perfectly. But again, the face consistency isn't quite there. It doesn't fully look like me in every frame, which is a bit disappointing, especially since the rest of the visuals turned out great. Next, I tried something fun. I replaced the faces of 2 men with a cat having blue and red eyes, and the results are pretty good. I also ran the same prompt on Nano-banana and Dream, which gave decent results too. But honestly, Higgsfield Popcorn with the Higgsfield Soul style produced the most accurate and visually striking result. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Next, I tried a really challenging prompt. I uploaded an image of a couple and 2 separate images of a man and a woman, then gave the prompt to replace the couple with the images I provided. And here are the results. Wow, this one is absolutely insane. The replacement is so clean. Honestly, this is my favorite of everything I generated today. If you keep refining and confining your prompts, you can get results this accurate too. Be patient, experiment a bit, and your prompts will get stronger, leading to even better outputs. Alright, finally, here's the sauce for you. If you want to create an AI movie using Popcorn, here's a simple way to do it. First, go to auto mode and upload your reference image. Then, give a simple 1-line prompt. I tried something like, create a movie scene story like Money Heist, cinematic style. Next, set the number of images to the maximum and hit generate. You'll get supernatural images, with multiple frames and different angles. I also tried different movie references, and the outputs were perfect every time. Once your images are ready, just click on an image and choose Animate, or download the images and go to the Video tab, upload them, select the model, and hit Generate. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can create a full movie scene using Popcorn AI. Super fast and surprisingly easy. And that's it, guys. That's how Higgsfield Popcorn can make AI movie making, storyboarding, and multi-frame editing super easy and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI tips, demos, and creative tricks. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which popcorn feature you want me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.